Hello everybody. Welcome back to the IFS Academy for Engineering. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at the ifs function in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you recall in one of our previous videos, what we did is we used the concept of nested if functions, okay, to give each student a letter grade based on their score. All right. So the nested if function goes like this. We check their score, right? We check their score and we say if it's greater or equals to the 90, then we're going to give them an A. Okay. If that's not right, then we're going to check if it's greater or equals to 80, and then we're going to give them a B. If that's also not right, we're going to check if their score is greater or equals to 70, and then we're going to give them a C. If that's not right, we're going to check for 60, and if that's not right, we're going to check for 50, and so on, all right? So whenever you see a nested if function like this, okay, you can replace it with what's called an ifs, okay? Ifs, all right, means many ifs, all right? This is a function, and it's much easier to write, much easier to deal with. What you're going to do is you're just going to basically say, what's your logical test? So in this case, my logical test is going to be for, let's actually do this here, first cell, okay? Get rid of this, say ifs, and your first parameter that goes into the ifs function is your logical test. So in this case, we'll say B2 greater or equals to 90. If that's right, we're going to just return an A, okay? And then we don't have to put another if function, okay? We directly can give this if function logical test 2. So again, we'll call this one, and we'll say if it's bigger or equals to that 80, and then we're going to return an B, and then we're going to say again, logical test 3, B3, if it's greater or equals to 70, then we're going to give it so a C, right? Then we're going to do this again, B2, if it's greater or equals to then 60, okay, then we're going to give it a D, okay? We're going to do this again, B2, if it's greater or equals to 50, okay, then we're going to give it a D minus, just like what we did previously, okay? And another condition is if B2, for example, is less than anything below 50, okay, we're going to give them a what? F, right? Sounds great. And I'll close this and I'll return it. And it works. You see? It works just like the nested if function. So if I say 50 changes, if I say 60, it's okay. All right. 20, 65. All right. So it works perfectly fine with a much cleaner, formula at the top and much easier to edit future. So if I just want to add another condition, I can go here and add another logical test and the value if it's true, right? So whenever you have a nested if, consider using ifs function instead. All right. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.